Yeah. MD. JPB. It's only right, baby.
Yeah, why you mad? I got a bad bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stuck, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back.
You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah.
To apply my shake presets, right-click on the clip layer and choose Pre-Compose. Next, go to Animation and select Apply Animation. Then, locate the folder where you downloaded my presets and select any of them. And now, here are some important things you need to enable in all presets: blur, color, light, slide, and time. Now you have the shake preset applied to your clips.
Let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women. If I want them, then I